flowers or pink flowers or purple flowers?
Purple.
Okay. Just want to do one thing here. Okay. Purple. Moana. Oh my golly. You don't want me to start singing. I stayed up really late last night. Oh golly, it was like 1:30 in the morning when I finally finished doing my work that I had to do. And I was like, ah. But you know, it feels good to get the work done, right? You sleep better if your work is done. I was a little worried about how much energy I would have today, but I have energy, so yay. Yeah, they're coming out with a new Moana movie.
Mm-hmm. Also a Frozen one.
Yeah, that one's coming out at Thanksgiving, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can't wait to see that. Apparently Elsa and Anna wear pants in it. I'm not sure, but that's what I heard. Okay, close eyes softly, honey. Don't open until I dry it, okay? Don't open. The other side. Sneak peek. I've got to put green leaves on it. What a gorgeous day. I can't believe how nice it is. About a week ago I checked the weather and it said that it might be 40% chance of rain today. And I was like, oh my god, that's going to be so bad. I just like, no. But instead, it's gorgeous. Like, so nice out. So you girls are all set. You girls are my models. Now that everyone will see how pretty you are, I'll get lots of customers, maybe. Right?
Mm-hmm. Wish it wasn't so sunny.
I know, I'm so sorry. How can I? Maybe I'll hang some streamers like right there. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to hang streamers so that the sun is blocked. I'm going to strategically hang streamers. That's what I'm going to do. It's done. Do you want sparkles?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, close your eyes, honey. Pretty. So pretty. You see?
Can you just do a rainbow dot on my hand?
Yeah. Here, let me take a picture of you though.